Welcome to Infotech 11. Dive into the world of technology, where we bring you the latest updates, tips, and insights on gadgets, software, and everything tech. Whether you're looking for in-depth reviews, how-to guides, or trending tech news, Infotech 11 is your go-to channel. Stay ahead in the digital era with our easy-to-understand content, designed for tech enthusiasts and beginners alike. Subscribe now to explore the fascinating world of technology with us. Discover, learn, innovate with Infotech 11. Christmas, a celebration of joy, love, and togetherness. Christmas, celebrated annually on December 25th, is one of the most beloved holidays around the world. Rooted in Christian traditions, it commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ, who is regarded as the Son of God and a symbol of hope, peace, and salvation. Over the centuries, Christmas has transcended its religious origins to become a universal festival marked by love, giving, and togetherness. The word Christmas is derived from Christ's Mass, a special church service dedicated to Jesus. While the Bible does not specify the exact date of Christ's birth, December 25th was chosen by early Christians to coincide with ancient winter solstice festivals, symbolizing the return of light and warmth. Traditions and customs. Christmas traditions vary across cultures, but they share common themes of joy, generosity, and community. Some of the most cherished customs include: 1. Decorating homes and Christmas trees. Homes, streets, and churches are adorned with twinkling lights, colorful ornaments, and wreaths. The Christmas tree, often an evergreen, is decorated with baubles, garlands, and a star or angel on top, symbolizing the Star of Bethlehem or the angels who announced Christ's birth. 2. Gift giving. Inspired by the Magi who brought gifts to baby Jesus, exchanging presents is a central part of Christmas. It represents love, gratitude, and the spirit of giving. Santa Claus, also known as Saint Nicholas or Father Christmas, has become a global symbol of this tradition, delighting children with gifts delivered on Christmas Eve. 3. Christmas carols and music. Carols such as Silent Night, Jingle Bells, and O Holy Night fill the air, spreading festive cheer. Singing carols, both in churches and door-to-door, is a tradition that unites communities in celebration. 4. Feasting and gatherings. Families and friends come together to enjoy lavish meals that often include roasted turkey, ham, pies, and Christmas pudding. The dinner table becomes a space for sharing stories, laughter, and gratitude. 5. Religious observances. For Christians, attending midnight mass or special church services is a sacred tradition. These gatherings focus on the spiritual essence of Christmas, including prayers, hymns, and sermons about Christ's birth. Cultural variations. Around the world, Christmas is celebrated in unique ways. In Germany, Christmas markets, mulled wine, and street Nicholas Day are key highlights. In Mexico, the tradition of Las Posadas reenacts Mary and Joseph's search for shelter. In Japan, Christmas is a time for couples, marked by lights and special meals like fried chicken. In India, churches are illuminated, and mango or banana trees are decorated instead of evergreens. Symbolism of Christmas. Christmas embodies universal values of hope, peace, and love. The season encourages acts of kindness, charity, and togetherness, making it a time for reflection and joy. Whether through the spiritual significance of Christ's birth or the warmth of shared traditions, Christmas remains a magical time for people of all beliefs, reminding us of the power of love and community to brighten the darkest of days.